last time Mondelez tried, which was in 2016, they went up to $25 billion with a multiple of 20 times EBITDA. Currently, Hershey's at 16, and it was still denied. There's a lot of hurdles that Mondelez will have to go through. Not only the trust that owns pretty much controls 80% of Hershey, but there's also the AG for Pennsylvania that has a say on it, and it's likely that they will deny it.
Interesting. So have we heard anything from the trust, either now or in the past, about kind of their willingness to sell? Because this is a family situation.
Yeah, it's unlikely that they will want to sell. We heard reports that because cocoa is at such high levels, they might be more willing to sell. It is unlikely. 10% of the revenue for Hershey is in salty snacks. They're expanding into it. There's a lot of things that they're trying to do. I don't think necessarily that a commodity is going to make them sell. It's unlikely.
So you mentioned that Mondelez made a bid back with 2016. Is that what you said?
Yes.
So what's the environment from 2016 where you were looking at a $25 billion bid, 25 times EBITDA, right? That's what it was valued at. That versus today within this kind of snack foods market.
Well, obviously there's been a lot more acquisitions compared to 2016. Rates might be going down in terms of that will make it permissible. Another thing that we think it's going to be difficult for Mondelez is actually to finance the deal. So currently they will probably go extending beyond 6 times EBITDA to be able to even get closer. And last time they actually did a 50 stock, 50% cash. We're thinking that they probably came back to the same with the same proposal, and it was pretty much denied.
What's your sense of how aggressive Mondelez may be, both in terms of price and, I don't know, maybe structure, giving the family some kind of special value or something?
Yeah, I mean, it seems like they were they're going in a, I don't want to say a fishing expedition, but it's kind of, I think they want to be friendly. I don't think they want to be extremely aggressive. Obviously they have a relatively new CEO compared to what they had last time. So maybe he sees things a little bit different. The industry has gone beyond strategic M&A and more of like bolt-on acquisitions. They do better with that because it's easier to assimilate, it's cheaper, and it's easier on the balance sheet. So I think I think they will be happy if it happens, but I don't think it's going to be something that they're going to be pressing on.
How fractured is the snack group right now? Like, how many players are in it? And sort of what's the growth rate for these guys right now?
So for confectionery, if Mondelez is successful, then the combined global market for the global share for Mondelez Hershey will be about 16% and 27% in North America. So it is not as fragmented as other situations. You have the salty snacks, which is 60% going to PepsiCo. So it's very concentrated, I would say.